Hello and welcome to the Banner Cloud ID System Setup and Configuration Tutorial Series. This is the third of several videos that will walk you through how to set up and use our Premier Direct Cloud solution. In the last video, we walked through the steps needed to apply power to all devices and form a wireless node network. If you have not completed those steps, please review that video prior to moving forward with this tutorial. In this video, I will demonstrate how to set up your Banner Cloud Data Services account and configure the software to accept data from the sensors in the network. In the next video, we will dive into further detail regarding your data and how to adjust scaling and sensor information. We will also discuss aspects of modifying the dashboard visualization tool. So let's get started. We begin by navigating to the Banner CDS website at bannercds.com. In the top right corner, click on Sign Up. A prompt will appear that requires you to enter the code that was included on the card we set aside previously. This code affords you a prepaid trial for the software platform. Upon expiration of the account, you will need to renew with a paid plan. Go ahead and enter this code now along with the other information requested by the prompt, then click Sign Up. Read and accept our terms and conditions to continue to the overview page of the platform. In the top right corner, you will click the New Gateway button, which opens up a prompt that requests the entry of a gateway type, a gateway name, and a serial number. Click the drop-down under the gateway type to select Cloud ID. Then type a gateway name into the appropriate field. In the field for the DXM serial, you'll want to enter the serial number of the gateway. The serial number is stated upon a label on the back of the device, or it can be gathered by navigating to the system info of the controller using the gateway display. Once you have selected the gateway type, entered a gateway name, and the DXM serial number, click Submit. The website will automatically take you to the gateway section of the platform. This area will offer information regarding your device, such as push information, network information, and sensor information. But first, we need to await the initial data push from the device to the platform. Systems may communicate at varying push rates dependent upon whether your connection is Ethernet or cellular. Be sure to consult our support documentation to determine the push rates at this time. You can watch the DXM display for push success and then refresh the page to view the data. Once the data appears, you will see a list of all the nodes that you bound to your gateway in the previous steps. The respective datasets are shown with the measurements from each sensor, and you'll notice that default alarms have been associated with each data signal. You can view the settings for these alarms by navigating to the Alert section or by clicking on the alarm next to the data signal. Also of important note is the dashboard that was automatically created to give you a comprehensive snapshot into the health of your assets. You can view this dashboard from the Dashboard section. The dashboard displays a representative icon for each node that is bound to your system. The color of each icon is associated with the alarm thresholds. Think of these icons as your check engine light for concerns you may want to address before they become critical failures. Congratulations! You have now successfully set up your Banner Cloud ID system and activated your software services to visualize the data. This is the beginning of your ability to gather immediate insights into the health of your equipment and processes throughout your operation. In the next video, we will kick off a more detailed walkthrough of this software, beginning with how to adjust device names, scalar information, and dashboard layouts. For more information regarding these products, please visit bannerengineering.com.